Microsoft is approaching a level that decided every major move recently. Now, most traders are expecting continuation, but the order flow suggests something different might happen. Now, if you want to see this exact setup and watch trades live, join the Discord and Patreon down below. Now, let's go ahead and read this chart together, okay? We have here overall pretty clearly that this is a big bearish move down into a trading range, okay? Now, in this type of situation, the very first thing we need to do is to find the range's midpoint. And it's going to be subjectively somewhere right about there, okay? Now, with this overall move, we can now move forward. So we can clone this a few deviations both above and below to get our subjective level of resistance, or our extremes in both cases. So we can do the same type of maneuver to the downside. If I can grab it, there you go. And we can now figure out the supportive structures roughly there, okay? Now, that being said, we are already on the outskirts of the range as far as to the downside, so we would expect 1 to 2 variations, okay? The first one, which would probably be the best, is that we actually rotate maybe down once more, and then we can look for an early entry now to go back up to the swing of this entire range. That would be probably the most ideal. Now, in this scenario, just be aware that the overall momentum is bearish, so what should happen once we push up is a rejection to come all the way back down to the prior low now, okay? Now, obviously, there will be scenarios of which we will break out and continue to show strength, and if that does occur, we can continue to buy. It's pretty much just as simple as that. Now, lastly, everyone, I think what we need to really be aware of is the fact that if we do go directly higher without having the pullback, then the same things that apply are already applicable. You just need to push it over. So if we gap up, just be aware that we're either going to look for reversal or a continuation going higher, okay? Now, in the opposite extreme, pretty much if we crush through this low and then continue to go through it on strength, then we need to look at this market as being bearish immediately. And in that situation, we would expect continuation going to the downside. So just be aware that, yes, we are looking to buy off this low. However, if it does crash through it, you now know what to do. So again, everyone, thank you for giving me some of your time. Look down below in the description if you want to trade this exact same framework and learn it for yourself. And I just want to say I will catch you all on the next candle.